in the city of Philadelphia, we're very excited to work with our Smart Cities platform to test and pilot new products and see how the future of Philadelphia will be, especially when it comes to energy savings and when it comes to congestion management and safety overall. The mayor does have a Vision Zero policy, which this aligns with, allowing us to provide safer walkways, safer lighting for pedestrians out there.
We installed CIMCON's near sky platform outside, the idea is to collect data on pedestrian, traffic, environmental, to think through and get a baseline established on what happens when a big event like Light Fair comes to Philadelphia. What happens to the traffic patterns? What happens to the environmental patterns? Get that baseline going so that the city can make informed decisions about when, how, where in the future.
This is the Near Sky product that has been installed outside, and this essentially provides connectivity to cameras, to different kinds of environmental sensors. So what we have done here is that there are 4 of these installed on the intersection of Arch Street and the 12th. And what we are doing is we have a couple of cameras, and those cameras are counting people and the vehicles. So let us say when there is an event, we can figure out, what is the traffic pattern. So essentially, we are able to figure out the impact of an event. And on one of the near skies, we also have an environmental sensor mounted. So we can also figure out the air quality. So the whole idea is, when an event is there, how does it impact traffic, how does it impact air quality, and what can be done. So once you have this data, essentially what we are trying to do is baseline this information. So once you have this information, you can say that what should we do to the traffic pattern so that we can reduce the impact of these events. So that's the whole idea, to create a baseline, get the information, and use that information to plan ahead. What this product does is it simplifies the installation of the camera. We can power the camera from this. Typically, if you're trying to mount a camera on a pole, you might have to poke a hole, get power in it. You need a licensed electrician to be doing it, so it's very expensive. With this product, we can just run a cable, and it can power the camera, and it can also essentially get all the data into this product. So it's a lot of edge processing, so all the video that we get can be processed on the edge. We don't have to put it into the cloud. So all the counting, everything happens on the edge on this product.
From a holistic city perspective solution, City of Philadelphia a couple months ago released our Smart Cities platform that is spearheaded by our OIT group. This is just one portion of it, and as you can tell, communications out to the field is very important, especially utilizing our street lighting infrastructure to be able to do a lot of this. Seems to be the way smart cities are going. Some of the applications that we're thinking in the back would be curbside management of the city of Philadelphia. As you know, as you travel the city of Philadelphia, loading and unloading of goods is very important to us, and it actually congests our cities. It is the more, when trucks double park trying to empty out their cargo for stores and things like that, it does hinder the fact that people are trying to maneuver to the city. So can we manage our curbside space better is one of the things we're looking at as part of smart cities. The cameras hopefully will provide the data that then we can utilize to be able to manage that. Yeah, we are looking as a holistic view, how to manage congestion, how to do special events. As you know, if you're here on the weekends, on the Saturdays, Sundays, we have multiple 5Ks, 10Ks. I think I got a 15K this weekend. So we are looking to do special events management to be able to direct people to give this information to a Waze, to Google and Apple, so that then you're getting real-time data on your car. I'm very happy that we're partnering up and doing this pilot. I'm very excited to see what the future will be for the city of Philadelphia.
So I would also like to say that city of Philadelphia has taken a big step, and it's early days in the smart city adoption. The smart lighting seems to be happening at a very fast pace. There's a clear ROI, and you can create the ROI from lighting. But taking the next step, which is I think really we recommend the city, and this can really start the process, right? So you're doing a small step, you get the data, you learn from that, and based upon the learning, we can take the next step.